Hello and welcome to our channel.
In this video, I will teach you how to check Windows version in your PC or laptop. If you do not know how to check it, then this video is just for you. Make sure to watch till the end to be able to do it. So first of all, click on Windows icon. Now tap on Settings. Scroll down and select Update and Security. On the right hand side, you can see OS Build Info. Click on it. Now scroll down and on Windows Specification section, you can find your Windows version. You can see here, this is my Windows version. So that's how you check it.
I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.